Hey guys, John here. So this was back in my early days on Upwork. I went through what I think most people that are new to that platform go through, bidding on tons of jobs, never getting hired, watching other people get hired for $5 an hour for projects and all that sort of thing. And after a few months of doing that, I was kind of and not getting hired, I was kind of in desperation mode. So one day I came across this project and I was kind of in this sort of nihilistic mood, and I just sort of said, F it. And in my proposal, I just told the guy exactly what to do. And my whole kind of mindset was, I was just like, well, if I can't get this job, nobody else can. Like I said, I was just kind of feeling that way. I was feeling dramatic like that. So anyway, I just laid it out for him and told him exactly what to do in the proposal. And I assumed that he would just take that, he'd run with it, the project would just kind of be dead, he'd never hire anybody, and that would be the end of it. But a curious thing happened. Even though I had no job history on the site, no portfolio items, no ratings or testimonials from other clients, he hired me. And I learned a couple important lessons that day. The first was that some clients can know exactly what to do and they still don't want to do it. They'll still hire someone, they'll still pay them well. And a lot of times in my experience since, those clients are often a lot easier to work with. And the other thing I learned is that clients can know exactly what to do, but that doesn't mean that they know how to do it. And so this has become kind of my basic approach to getting clients ever since that day. Give away the what freely and openly to as many people as possible, and then just sell the how. And I think that is the easiest way to get clients, because it demonstrates to them that you know what you're doing directly. The thing to remember about ratings and reviews and portfolio and all that sort of stuff is that they're just indicators. They signal competence. But what I did demonstrated it directly. And that's a much more powerful form of persuasion. It's kind of like sampling a hunk of sausage at the grocery store. You can either sit there and read a bunch of testimonials and reviews from people who've tried the sausage, or you can just take a bite of a hunk that's there and decide for yourself. And once you do, you're going to know whether you like it or not. So whole point is, just think about that in your freelancing, your interaction with clients, how you market yourself, social media, blogging, YouTube, all of that stuff. As a freelancer, you can be generous with the what, giving it away to as many people as possible, and then just sell the how. Now, yes, that might cost you a few clients here and there, but you're going to get far more than you'll lose. And like I said, I think it's the easiest way to get clients, especially if you're new. You don't have the job history, you don't have the testimonials, you don't have the portfolio. Just demonstrate your competence directly. Now, of course, some people read that and go, yeah, because it's not, the most sexy, make your palms sweat revelation out there. But it works, and it can be applied in so many different ways in so many different situations, which is how fundamentals tend to work. The question with fundamentals is not do you know it, but are you doing it? That's what matters. And then are you doing it consistently? In any case, these are the kinds of fundamentals that I teach in my Beginner's Guide to Freelance course. No, it's not the uber sexy, shiny object of the day stuff that always sounds amazing, but never quite works like it's pitched. It's tried and true fundamentals. So if you can see the value in learning those from someone who's been doing this for almost 15 years now, then I think this class will be exactly what you're looking for. Anyway, you can learn how to get free access to it at johnmorrisonline.com/freelance. I'll throw a link in the description as well. All right, that'll do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, be sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. All right, that's it. We'll talk to you next time.